welcome back. Infrastructure industry in India have been experiencing a rapid growth in its different sector with the development of urbanization and increasing involvement of foreign investment in this field. The Indian government has taken several initiatives to develop the infrastructure sector, with major emphasis on construction industry. The section of construction industry reported a steady growth of 8 to 10% in the recent years. The construction industry in India is highly fragmented and has about 300,000 companies operating nationwide. To talk in detail on various issues related to construction industry, its growth prospects, opportunities and challenges, we have with us Mr. Sherin Verkey, President, Builders Association of India. Good evening and welcome to Power News. First of all, Mr. Verkey, I'd like to ask you, what is your overall view on the growth of construction and infrastructure industry in 11th Five-Year Plan?
Construction industry is the second largest economic activity in our country. There is a change in this sector. There is a transition from unorganized sector to the organized sector nowadays. After the large investment in the infrastructure sector in the 11th plan, many major players started coming into this field. And today, according to my information, there are 76 listed companies in our country. In the earlier days, there were only contracts of say 100 crores or near about that. But there are a number of contracts of more than 500 crores nowadays. I am told that there are contracts of even 5,000 crores in NHAI recently. Concession sector accounts for over 5.7% of the GDP. This sector witnessed a growth of 9% during the last three plan periods. And it is going to be almost 12% in the 12th plan period.
Construction sector is the largest employer in the country following agriculture, employing almost 3 crore people. But in the recent past, the sector has seen huge manpower shortage, mainly skilled manpower. How this issue, according to you, should be addressed so that the estimated development in the 12th and subsequent 5-year plan does not suffer?
With the successful implementation of the National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, industry is facing huge shortage of workmen, particularly the skilled workmen. Builders Association, with the help of National Highway Builders Federation and Concession Federation of India, is joining the skill development programs formulated by the National Skill Development Corporation. What I said is there is a huge shortage of skilled manpower in the country.
Mr. Verkey, what are the major issues, according to you, which the construction industry is facing today?
Another big problem being faced by the construction industry for the execution of major projects in sectors like highways, ports, major industrial concessions, special economic zone, etc., is the land acquisition. So delay in land acquisition causes a lot of problem for the contractors. National Highway Authority awarded lot of EPC contracts. Because of the timely assistance from the National Highway Authority in giving the land, contractors were forced to go for arbitration. And almost 11,000 crores of arbitration awards are not disbursed, and the NHAI is taking them to the court. This creates a lot of problem for the contractors. Contractors have no say on the toll charges. They have to bear the cost increase for the cement and steel. We have no option for increasing the toll by ourselves. So whatever extra expenditure we are incurring, we have to bear it, and we are facing a big problem on account of this. The unsteady price of materials like cement and steel, etc.
Well, most of the investment to be brought in the sector is expected from private investment. Do you think financing almost $1 trillion investment for infrastructure projects would be possible?
Infrastructure projects require substantial investment, and finding finance for this is a big problem now. We want long-term loans at competitive rates, which is not available. Bank is encouraging only short-term loans, and the rate of interest is also very high. Banks should come forward with good schemes to support the small and medium contractors. Of course, major players will get finance from the financial institutions, but small and medium contractors, banks should bring in good schemes
Thanks, Mr. Varghese, for joining us on Power News. It's time for another short break here. Keep watching Power News.